We're done with the cuff. Now we need to cast off. Just take the working yarn and wrap it around the part of the loom that you're using 3 times. That just gives you enough yarn to work this cast off. And right here's where I ended. Now the way we do this cast off, this is called the super stretchy cast off. The yarn is coming from this peg, so we're going to skip that peg, go up through. We're going to go back 1 and pull the working yarn down. Skip 1, go up through, go back 1, and go down. I'll show you a couple more times. Let's come from this one. Skip 1, go up, go back 1, and go down. You do this all the way around the loom until you get back to your starting peg. Work this one as well. And then you just take everything off the loom. You just pop it all off the loom, and then I'll show you how to weave in the ends. So do the cast off, pop it off the loom, and flip the glove inside out.